So the first one is, what does ZD do? What does ZD do? So ZD is a digital training solution for the African workforce. What we do is we're providing accessible, transformative, digital training that's designed for Africa. Do you customize training needs per organization needs? What's the answer?
Yes.
First one, I would like to learn how ZD ensures that the training is transformative. There are different stages to checking that transformation. Stage one is the stage of development. So when you make any training, not just for ZD, even for you, right? You have to start at the point to develop the training, because if the training is boring, what happens? If people don't even go through the training or don't like the training, you've lost at the beginning, isn't it? Now, once people actually engage with the training, it becomes about, especially on digital, you guys know, completion. How many of us have e-learning platforms? See, you know the story of starting a course and not finishing. Let's be honest. Yes, so that's the second challenge. So finding the tools to actually empower them. It could be creating time. It could be like in ZD, we do micro-learning. We break down every course into such short, 3 minutes or less if we can, because we feel like if I can get you to do 10 minutes a day, that's easier, right? Once completion the second challenge is completion. I've completed the training, right? I've gotten the knowledge. Now comes the big one, application. See, we all know. You've trained me, I know customer service, I know this thing is great, I know the tools. How do you actually get me to apply? And that's the point for trainers or training companies like us. It's hard because we can't be there with you in the organization, but we lean a lot on HR, on business owners, our primary customer, you know. We have to engage and ask these questions. We run surveys, we run, you know, any sort of, we call them checks we can do. It's still not 100%, but once the training is completed, it's our job to check whether we're actually seeing behavior change and whether people are actually applying. And for me, that's the piece that's hardest. But there are different ways. I think that answers the question in terms of ensuring it's transformative. Ultimately, testimonials. There was one I really loved from an insurance company where they said everyone closed a sale the next month after they completed a ZD sales course. See, that's good. So that's direct feedback. I was like, yes, this is working.
So hi, my name is Diana Kirote. I'm a HR professional with 5 years of experience. Today at ZD Breakfast, this is my second attendance, and I was very excited just to come in and see what they've implemented from our first breakfast. I deal with techies and engineers in the cybersecurity industry and techies in general, and one of the challenges that we have is of soft skills, the onboarding processes, the policies. And so with ZD, I have come to understand and see that they are so interested in ensuring that our work becomes easy, and all the processes that we are having challenges on, they have trainings on. So for the onboarding process and ISO certifications and sales training, those are the things that I was very, very interested in, and especially the soft skills for my engineers and my technical people. They have brought something very new to the space, which is the nano videos and the micro videos, which I'm excited. I'm on full swing, and I know this is going to be coming into our space very soon. I'm excited to see what it's going to do to my employees in terms of ensuring that they really understand where we come from in terms of the policies and procedures to make both the organization and the employees interact at a better level. So today was a great experience, just coming to understand what new services they're going to offer on their platforms. And yes, we'll be onboarded very soon. So Team ZD, you're doing very well. To anyone watching this, especially my HR fraternity, we have been sorted by ZD. One, it has made our life very easy. You don't have to be onboarding 150 employees at a go doing the presentation yourself. Just on board Team ZD, they will do everything for you. It's just at a click of a button. And all your people have these videos to be utilized at their own free time, in the morning, at lunchtime, and way late in the evening for parents and moms like me. And yeah, so why not reach out to ZD, and yeah, you can give a thumbs up to me and ensure that this message has been passed through to my HR professionals, and let's make our life easy and focus on other things like strategy and how to make our businesses grow.